Voices rising, pierce the veil. Secrets carried on a comet's trail. Echoes of a signal calling out to me in the void of silence where nothing's meant to be. A message lost in chaos, a riddle in the storm. Echoes of the signal reshaping every form. A clash of thunder, a flash of light. The galaxy